Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you that how to convert the PowerPoint presentation to a PDF document using PPT to PDF module inside Python on the command line. So basically it can convert single PowerPoint presentation or a multiple PowerPoint presentation files present inside a single directory to a PDF document, Adobe PDF document. So this is the blog post I have written, guys. You can go to the video description link. I have written all the commands which are there, and in this video I will be showing you step-by-step process on how to do this. So there is a package in Python which lets you do this. So if you just go to the pip website here, pip is a dependency manager for managing dependencies. So if you just write this dependency, which is ppt to PDF. So this is the dependency, guys, which will come here. If you just search for this dependency, you will see this is the dependency which comes here, ppt to PDF. So I have already, you will see number one dependency which comes in ppt to PDF. So basically from the name itself it converts the PowerPoint presentation to a PDF document on the command line. And this is the actual command which is there, which is very simple: ppt to PDF followed by your input file name, which is input.ppt in this case. So in the same directory it will create the output PDF file. So let me show you a very basic example. So inside my root directory you will see there will be this sample ppt file is there. Let me open this. So you will see this is the PPT file is there. If I open this inside my PowerPoint presentation, so you will see two slides are there, which is this is the first slide, this is the second slide. So now I need to convert this to a PDF document. So I can do this very simply by installing this package. First of all, pip install ppt to PDF. So you just need to install this using this command. I have already executed this command and installed it. So after executing this command, you just need to write this command here, guys. Simply, you will simply say, let me delete the output PDF file and do this once again. So let's suppose I change the input file name to anything. Let's suppose input. This is input.pptx. So now the command will make ppt to PDF file followed by the input file name, which is in this case is input.pptx. So if you just enter it, now it will open this input file and it will say done. So now you will see the process is done. So now in the same directory it has created this input.pdf file. So if I open this file here inside my Google Chrome browser, so automatically it is converted to this, all the slides are being converted to PDF document. So the quality is preserved, guys. You will see that all the images are also present. So this is a very basic Python library which you can use in order to convert your PowerPoint presentation into a PDF document. So this can also handle multiple files as well. Let's suppose you have a directory which contains all your PPT files. So what we can do is that you can simply create a simple directory here, and simply you can copy all your PPT files which are there. So I can move this input PPT file here inside this new folder. So let's suppose I copy this once again, paste it two more times. So now you will see. So now you will see three files are there inside this directory. So this directory, I can call this anything. Let's suppose I call this PPT. So now this is a directory which contains three PowerPoint files. So now I can execute this command here, simply ppt to PDF followed by your directory name, which in this case is PPT. So simply if you execute this command here, so it is saying that no such command. So I need to provide the directory here, which is dir followed by your directory name, which is in this case is PPT. So just do it. So now, guys, it is, you can see it is converting the first one, second one, third one. Now you can see all the three files have been successfully converted to PDF document. So if I open this, now you will see for each PPT presentation there is a file is created here, you will see this is the input PDF file. If you open this here, you will see that once again it has converted to the PDF document. So 3 PDF files are there. You will see for each PPT presentation there is a PPT file here. So depending upon how many presentation files you have, you can convert them each one to PDF document. So this is a very basic Python dependency that you can use. So I decided to just share this dependency with you. All the commands that I have used inside this tutorial I have given in the video description. You can go to my blog post and simply copy paste these commands if you want to use it. This is the first command to convert a single PPT file. This is a command to convert all your PPT files which are present inside a directory. So this is all that you need to, guys. So please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.